How to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you the ways on how you can actually update your WhatsApp application if it's not functioning to the latest version. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So let's say that you're using the WhatsApp application on your phone, you simply face some kind of general issues and bugs. Well, if that is the case, make sure to watch this video till the end because I will show you how you can fix that. The very first thing we will do is we will simply open up our app store. Once you open up our app store, you can see this kind of interface. What you have to do is in the search box, you want to simply type in WhatsApp. So let me just go ahead and then type in WhatsApp. You can also choose one from the suggestions box or anywhere right over here. So you can see it says WhatsApp Messenger. So right over here, if you see an update button instead of open, it means that the application needs an update. For example, if you have not downloaded it, then you will see the get button. If I go ahead and try to remove this WhatsApp application from my home screen, I will tap on the delete app button, let's say, and I'll go and tap on delete. And I will come back and you can see this cloud-like icon which we can use to download. All we have to do is tap on it once in order to download this application. When you uninstall and then reinstall again, it will be automatically updated and downloaded to the latest version. But in case you have already downloaded it and if it says update, you have to tap on the update button in order to update your WhatsApp app to the latest version. Now you could open it, agree and continue, enter your phone number, sign in with your account, and that will most likely get your WhatsApp updated to the latest version. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.